student. I am Dr. Divya Saxena from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this video lecture series, I am going to discuss about Unit 2, Differential Calculus 1. I will cover this unit into 8 lectures. In lecture 1, we will discuss successive differentiation and nth order derivative. In this lecture, we can differentiate any function to n times and find nth order derivative. In lecture 2, we will discuss Leibniz theorem. With the help of Leibniz theorem, we can differentiate any function, any double function to n times. Leibniz theorem की help से हम double function को n time differentiate कर सकते हैं. In lecture 3, we will discuss Leibniz theorem at x is equal to 0. This is the part of lecture 2. In lecture 4, we will discuss partial derivative. In partial derivative, if z is the function of more than one variable, then we can differentiate z with respect to any variable, keeping other as constant. For example, if z is the function of x and y, then we can find del z over del x and del z over del y. Means we can differentiate z with respect to x or with respect to y, keeping other as constant. In next lecture, lecture 5, we will discuss Euler's theorem. Euler's theorem establishes a relationship between partial derivative and functional product. In lecture 6, we will discuss composite function. Composite function means जब हमें कोई भी function direct नहीं given है. For example, suppose u is the function of xy and xy is the function of t. Then we can differentiate u with respect to t. Then u is composite function of t. Then in this lecture we will discuss some properties of composite function. In next lecture, lecture 7, we will discuss curve tracing. In curve tracing, we will draw any curve for any equation. And last, lecture 8, we will discuss some previous year question or some important question. These are some references. Thank you.